Okay, good morning, parents and guardians. I just wanted to make a very quick introduction video just to show you how to use these video links that we're recording. So obviously you can see myself and hear me talking. I might turn off the video at some points like this, so you won't be able to see me anymore, but it's just so I can show you around. And then I'll click it back on and I'll be back. So I have lots of links up here at the top of the screen. I'm going to start off with the overview. So this is the first thing that you need to look at. So we're going to go into the overview here. So you'll see that it's done for week 1. So you're going to start with Sunday and you're going to start with your English lesson. So at the top here, I'm just going to use this mouse. Okay, so at the top here, you're going to see Sunday and you're going to see English and you're going to see my video. So that's going to be the first link that you're going to click into and you're going to watch the video with your child. After this, then there's a link at the bottom here for the PowerPoint or the notebook. So you can click into that and that has all the slides. In the slides here, I pointed out that for Sunday, you're only watching from 1 till 3. So you don't need to look at any of the other ones. And as we go through the week, then we'll get through more slides. So we'll just pull this down a little. So afterwards, then you can see that the tasks are numbered. So we want you to complete each task. There might be some independent tasks, there might be some challenges, and there also might be some opportunities to upload to your portfolio on Dojo. So that's the task on Sunday. After listening to the song and watching the modeling video, we would like you to upload a video to their portfolio. If you're having any difficulties with this, just message us and we'll support you as best we can. And then there's some extra challenges. So there's some Education City, there's some reading activities. So just do your best to get through what you can. And as I said, we can support you with whatever you need. During the videos, I'll be clicking into the slides here. And like I said, they've been numbered for each day. So Sunday, we're only looking at slides 1, 2, 3. And then as we go through the week, we'll look at the rest. I'll also be clicking into some of the songs and videos we'll be watching. You can access all of these yourself at home as well by just copying the links, which are all in the overview. So this is our overview again. So this is done out for the week, like I said, Sunday all the way through Thursday, and each of the lessons are detailed. If you have any questions, which I'm sure you will, don't worry, just contact us and we will do our best to support you. Okay, thank you very much.